Hey there, my name is Palash. I'm a founder here at AlignX Media. We are a website development agency that does just one thing, and that is helping you grow your business online. There are three primary ways in which we truly believe we can help you out. So, starting with Webflow website development. Over the last 5 years, we have built over 200 plus Webflow sites for some of the largest software companies out there. So basically, we can help you out with any sort of website project, whether it's a landing page, a complete redesign of your website, or just ongoing maintenance. Click the link below to learn more about our work and our pricing options. The second thing on our list is search engine optimization, especially for Webflow sites. With awesome looking website, you need high quality traffic to grow your business. And with the SEO, we can help you achieve that. Click the link below to learn more about our SEO services. The third and the final thing on our list is our Webflow library. We have built an awesome Webflow library with step-by-step guide, how to video tutorials and SEO checklists to help you and your team complete day-to-day tasks without a need for a developer. If you're interested in any of these three options, click the link below to learn more about it. If you have any question in the meantime, please reach out to me at this email and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.